sometimes while you are preparing your course assignment, you don't need to consider too much. Sometimes you just focus on the key focus of these courses, but in the AEP you need to consider other elements such as the budgets, the time limitations, the available resources, and more importantly, you need to consider about the feasibilities of your marketing idea. I decided to do the AEP because I think it would be a great chance for me to utilize the knowledge that I learned from the classes into the actual work scenario. You really need to consider yourself as a marketer to complete all your work assignments, and I think it would be a great chance for me to improve myself, maybe. The companies that I work for is a Bristol-based charitable organization, Flamingo Chicks, providing a platform for those disabled children as well as those with illness such as cancer, a chance to take some exercise by attending to its dance classes. It also provides a chance for them to build their network, to give them a chance to communicate as social with others. My AEP is focused on a fundraising event called May 100, which is aiming to encourage 100 people to maybe challenging themselves to do some physical challenges. For example, someone may swim 100 meters each day and persistent doing that through the whole May. And my task is creating marketing strategies to provide them some innovative or creative ideas to attract more people engaged in this May 100 campaign. We align the brief that they send to us to ensure their requirements and needs, their preference on the research methods, whether they tend to use the quantitative or qualitative. After the meetings, me and my supervisors work on creating an interviewee list that considers which types of respondents are suitable for this project. After this, I need to create an execution summaries to share my findings with Flamingo Chicks. I will also give them presentations to share my findings in a detailed way. This part is also contribute to the finding parts of my dissertation. I really hope my marketing strategies can make a positive impact to attract more potential donors, and I think that is quite meaningful. I would definitely encourage other students to apply for AEP. I was a little bit worried about whether I can handle the whole process, but luckily both my supervisors, Eileen, as well as the Bethans from the Flamingo Chicks are quite supportive and helpful. They're always by my side, just ensure everything is on the right track, so I don't need to worry about too much, and I guess other people who apply for AEPs don't need to worry about too much either. You can jump first and then hope you are not standing on the cliff, and that's what I want to say. Yeah, try it.